We are going from OW20 to 5W-40. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this engine flush to go ahead and get all the oil out, anything that's going through the engine, so I can put some new oil in. Really, I'm supposed to be using 2 cans because it's 1 can for every 3 to 5 liters. This car takes 7 to 8. So I'm going to just do 1 because that oil is already pretty thin. What this does is it thins out the oil, takes any deposits out the engine, and it makes it for all the oil to come out the engine, right? So I'm only going to do 1. I think that should be enough. And we're going to go to 5W-40. Stage 2, baby. Stay tuned. We're going to open this up. Okay, we're going to pour this into the engine, and then we're going to let it idle for 10 or 15 minutes. So okay, it's in there. We're going to turn the car on and let it idle for 10 to 15 minutes. Once that's done, we'll go ahead and do the oil change immediately. All right, so it's been 11 minutes, about 10-11 minutes. Let's go ahead and change this oil now. So pop this. We'll go ahead and remove the filter. Get to the adapter. I like this because 034 has a video, Ashes to Asphalt, where the oil just ruptured and burned up the entire car. So that's not what I want. So I got all the precautions. I got their filter, I got the cap, and I got the oil catch can. So crack the oil filter. Oh, she is hot. That air out. All right, and then we crack also the dipstick. Down, you see it's tuning, so we'll get all the air and get all the oil out. So now let's go underneath the car. All right, so I already took the belly pan down, belly pan off, but go ahead and do the oil change. There we go. Okay, we'll do that. But we need the whole thing off though. It's not gonna work. I got 1 glove on. Boom. Shit. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's coming down quick. It's coming down hard. Fuck. Look at that, bro. Get all that oil out. This is like water. This is why we're going to 5W-40. Right there, look. Sheesh. So we just let that drain out. Once you do, we're gonna put a new plug in and fill it back up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and plug it up here. Got a new drain plug with a new washer. Go ahead and put that in there. In the area, any oil leaking here. Still got some to tighten it up. All right, now let's go to the top. Get this oil filter out. All right, so we got the new oil ring in. Now we'll go ahead and put the oil filter in here. Start twisting it. And then we're going to torque it down to 25 Newton meters. 25 Newton meters. All right. Okay, put the oil dipstick back in. And then we can go ahead and start filling this bad boy up. All right, so we got the Liqui Moly 5W-40 right here. All right, we're going thicker now because we're stage 2. We're gonna lubricate everything. I want to do the rocker arms eventually, but right now, well, we're gonna lubricate as much as we can. Do the water pump later down the road, but here we are. So it says 7.4, but I usually just do 7 liters, and then I just carry one extra with me because it likes to burn oil, right? The turbo. So we're gonna put in 7 liters, and then do the other one for later. And I went with the Moly Gen because it has like lubricating properties and stuff to lubricate the engine and protect it. So that's what I went with. And look, it's green. Oil's green. It's pretty cool, huh? 5W-40 Moly Gen, new generation. We got 6 liter number 6 on in right here. And 7. All right, and that is it. Go ahead and put the cap back on and go for a test drive, baby. Stage 2 coming right up. Man, I'm so excited. Been working on this car for 3 days now. It's time, baby.